Assalamu alaikum everybody. I am Ashraf Javed Malik from Pakistan. I'm going to tell you about the biodiversity. At least 40% of the world's economy and 80% of the needs of the poor are derived from biological resources. In addition, the richer the diversity of life, the greater the opportunity for medicinal discoveries, economic development, and adaptive responses to such new challenges as climate change. Biodiversity boosts ecosystem productivity, where each species, no matter how small, all have an important role to play. For example, a large number of plant species means a greater variety of crops. Greater species diversity ensures natural sustainability for all life forms. A healthy biodiversity provides a number of natural services for everyone. Ecosystem services such as number 1, protection of water resources. Number 2, soils for nation and protection. Number 3, nutrient storage and recycling. Number 4, pollution breakdown and absorption. Number 5, contribution to climate sustainability and stability. Number 6, maintenance of ecosystems. Number 7, recovery from unpredictable events. Number 8, biologically resources such as food. Number 9, medicinal resources and pharmaceutical drugs. Number 10, wood products. Number 11, ornamental plants. Number 12, breeding stocks. Number 13, reservoirs. 14, future resources. Number 15, diversity in genes, species, and ecosystems. 16, soil benefits such as. Number 17, research, education, and monitoring. Number 18, recreation and tourism. 19, cultural values. That is quite a lot of services we get for free. The cost of replacing these, if possible, would be extremely expensive. It therefore makes economic and development sense to move towards sustainability. Please like and subscribe this video. Thank you.